Can your trusted advisor be the provider of long-term historical perspective for you? I already gave you the answer. It's yes. Long-term historical perspective. This is one of my favorite things. Long-term historical perspective. It's real easy to know. Long-term, stocks go up a lot more than bonds and a lot more than inflation. That's good to know, but you need to know things like this. I don't know why it's doing this. Okay, here's a nice chart. One of my favorite charts from the last several years right here. This is the stock market high of 2007 October and today. And this is one of the most telling charts I've ever seen in my career. There's two stories being told here. People will say, what's going on over the last 8 years? Here's what's been going on. If you're a retail investor who bought mutual funds over the last 8 years, this is the amount of net outflows from mutual funds over the last 8 years from individual investors. So in the last 8 years, individual investors have pulled out $700 billion from US equity mutual funds in the last 8 years. So what are those equity mutual fund investors telling you? They don't believe that the investment is a good investment, right? They don't think the stock market is a good investment. So they've been taking their money out for the last 8 years. But this other side are institutional investors. And guess what they've been doing over the last 8 years? The exact opposite. They've invested $650 billion into US equity funds since 2007. Isn't that incredible?